I gave instructions to withdraw first the cases of Farmally where there has been no arraignment yet, the Sandigan Bayan, because I want to reevaluate the cases. I want to know the details which are put into the cases because it really matters.
Anya, nakukulangan siya sa case build-up ng mga ito dahil hindi magkakatugma ang mga investigasyon mula sa iba't ibang grupo.
Dapat yan in sync lahat, and it hasn't been working that way. That's why I really thought it wiser to withdraw these cases so we could re-evaluate para naman hindi masayang yung naging trabaho ng investigators, ng Senado, at sa lahat na na-involve sa paghalukay ng mga kaso ng Farmally.
Tiniyak naman ni Remulla na magiging mabilis ang kanilang isasagawang re-evaluation, lalo na at mayroon ng preliminary investigations ang mga naturang kaso.